Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Stylish and incredibly gentle ideas for exquisite manicure. The hands of a woman give her away with her head, said the character of the novel Gone with the Wind, Rhett Butler. And indeed it is. Looking at women's hands, you can tell a lot about their hostess. Hands will inform others about your character, your activities, how you feel about yourself. And therefore they should always be in perfect order, with a well-groomed, soft and velvety skin and a beautiful manicure on the nails. In fashion, the manicure is vivid, using rich colors and shades. But this brightness quickly becomes boring and not always appropriate. That is why we offer you fashionable variants of gentle, graceful manicure in a pastel range, ideally suited for any occasion in life, celebration, romantic date, business meeting. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.